I'll guide you through Apple's official diagnostic steps and proven solutions to fix a fast-draining iPhone battery, starting with the most critical settings. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. First, let's identify the problem. Open the Settings app. Tap Battery to access usage data. Now check your battery health in Settings to review its capacity and suggested fixes. Your iPhone will recommend specific changes in settings to preserve iPhone battery life. To further maximize battery life and reduce fast drain, let's adjust some more settings. Return to Battery Settings and select the Charging. Toggle on Optimize Battery Charging and set a charging limit as recommended by your iPhone to protect your battery's long-term health. Next, let's fix the biggest visible drainer, full brightness on your screen. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Hold and drag the brightness slider down to manually dim the screen, reducing a major power consumer. Now let's enable auto brightness for efficiency. Open the Settings app and tap Accessibility. Tap Display and Text Size to view visual settings. Scroll to the bottom and toggle on auto brightness so your phone adjusts lighting automatically. Another feature to save battery life is to turn off Raise to Wake, which turns on the screen light when you pick up your iPhone or swing it in while walking. Go back to Settings and tap Display and Brightness. Toggle off Raise to Wake. This prevents the screen from constantly activating when you pick up the phone. If you have an iPhone 14 or later, go back to the Settings app and tap Display and Brightness. Tap Always On Display to open the menu. Toggle off Always On Display to stop continuous lock screen drain. Next, let's eliminate background apps from draining your battery. Go to Settings and tap General. Tap Background App Refresh. Select Off to prevent apps from fetching data constantly. Finally, let's adjust location tracking to stop different apps from using your location, thereby consuming battery. Go to Settings, then scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Tap Location Services to review app access. Select individual apps and set their location access to While Using. You can also toggle off Precise Location if the app doesn't need to know your exact location. This stops the iPhone from continuously using GPS, which contributes to battery drain. You can also cut unnecessary background processes when your iPhone battery is at 20% or lower by turning on low power mode. Click to watch the complete process here. These proven software-based troubleshooting steps will restore your expected battery life. Remember, keeping your iPhone's iOS software updated is also crucial for optimized power management. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.